Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi Note 7 smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can mirror navigation buttons in Redmi Note 7 smartphone. First, go to the settings and click on full screen display. Here, just turn off mirror buttons. If you turn off these mirror buttons and back button goes to left, menu button comes to right. You can also hide mirror buttons totally, that is, you can only use visual navigation. Full screen display, and here full screen gesture. Just choose full screen gestures and there is no navigation buttons visible, but you can do it by using swiping up the appropriate place. For viewing menu, just swipe up and hold. For back and home, just swipe up. Once again, I set it to default, that is buttons and mirror buttons. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.